this out and I'll drill a small hole there. But now I'm going to drill it with this thing here. So I don't know what size, but I'm going to drill a hole with it. So guys, I'm making an eccentric and I've brushed this out properly and I've drilled a hole for the shaft to go in. Now I'm going to make the eccentric here. Sorry guys, I forgot the video at the start, so here we are. As you can see guys, it's doing it very slowly but surely. Now I've put this pack in here. It's supposed to be 3/16, but I think it's a little bit bigger. I think it's a quarter, to be honest with you. So that's the packing on two sides. One side has no packing here. So that's why we're getting this eccentric look here. Now what we're doing is, let's see, what we're doing is, see this here? This got to fit into there. So once that hole, once this is fitting into this hole here, I will be stopping like that. So I'm going to do it off the camera now, guys. Okay, guys, I made a boo-boo. Obviously, I put too much packing in because it's coming up to this hole and that's breaking up. So I'll make another one off camera. So I'll put less packing in so we can have it up to there somewhere. So here it is guys, this is as far as I dare go. You see it's still not 100% there, but it's just coming up to it. But over here it's very, very thin and I don't want to go any thinner than that. So yeah, so what's happening is this is not going to fit there. So I have to redo this to that size. So guys, with this tool I cut this out and that fits beautifully right there somewhere. Sorry. And that fits beautifully right there. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is cut a bit more off here and put one of these again, base it on. That's nice. That's nice. And just trim it a bit. And the next one. Perfect. I want to grind it around a bit more. So guys, I made this up nicely, but then my mate over there said, why don't you use a washer? So I used the washer. Look at this. Isn't that good? Just a nice round washer there. So this fits in nicely, perfectly, look. It's in perfectly there. So I'm happy with that one, so we can move on. I'm going to let this go now guys. I've cut it up and that's it. So I've got to drill and tap it there. And then we'll see what happens. And this one, I've got to make another one so that fits flush against that. And then it will decide which way it will spin, hopefully. is where I am. This is just to show you how it's going to be. So this eccentric will spin like this, pushing this washer back and forward, as you can see, like that. Okay, it's not exactly going to go like this, but something like that. I'm going to drill and tap both of these. I'm going to drill so that a 4mm tap can go in there, or a drop screw. So now I have to look at this eccentric, how it works, and from what I know, or what I've seen, is this one here. So this is where the hole's got to go, and the pin's got to go in there, which will then align with this one here. So this one here needs to have cut out there, which the only thing I can do is drill bits of it and then try and do the best I can with that, and that'll be that. So it's halfway around. I'm going to have to mark it first with this pin in there, mark where the pin goes, because that pin is going to go in that hole there to go down. So yeah, and apparently I found out that I didn't need to make this tap and die here at all, because this is loose. As far as I know, this is loose on the shaft. So guys, I made this here just to put down there with the shaft. So what happens is put that in there like that, and that will mark this one here. So there you go guys, I marked it like this, and there's the marking. So I know where the hole's got to be drilled. Okay guys, I'm not sure if this will work. It's a bit of a botch up job, but we're going to try it. If not, then I'll make it out of aluminium, which is easier to drill and shape really.